Hey all, welcome to the fourth episode of a reconciliation of a trade life cycle. So in previous session we have discussed about the trade execution, trade confirmation and trade settlement. So anyhow, if you are watching this video first time or new viewer, so I will attach the previous session link in this comment section, so you can watch this session and you can go forward. Anyhow, if you can watch this also is fine, it's not interrelated between the previous session as well. So however, this position break are the simple one where the shares quantity are not matching, or cash break is something where the cash is not matching. So how we can differentiate into reconciliation and how we can resolve this break, the more purpose and objective of this session is this only. So however, the position break will be, you think that you hold the 1500 share, but the custodian says that you have only 1300 share only of a position break. So due to that, trade get failed of a 200 shares and your delivery and admin still reflect it. Okay, so it cause maybe the some corporate action maybe happen, like for example stock split, bonus issue, or maybe some other corporate action that impacting our position, or maybe something like a unprocessed transfer has been happened between the broker or something, or maybe the FX adjustment on the part of a position. So reconcile daily position and check the pending trade with the CA event as well. So there are some separate corporate action team available in your floor which are working simultaneously with you as a reconciliation as well as with other team as well. So you can just cross check with them. However, if you are involved into your inbox of a particular client, we can see that the corporate action email also they will mention that this quantity now, first we have before corporate action 1000, now it is 1500, and they mention the particular corporate action as well. Due to this will be happen. So we have separate session on corporate action. I will explain you in detail in the same series as well. But the position break occurred due to mismatch in the shares and unit you are holding, or due to missing corporate action, maybe spin off, or maybe the split option, or incorrect lot allocation maybe. So trade are booked in the lot allocation, like for 500 lots, 1000 lot. So according to the some or client will follow the FIFO or LIFO. LIFO means first in first out, or LIFO means last in first out. So somebody will follow reverse, or somebody will follow from the top. So accordingly it will get it will get delay. So in they have placed the order of 1000 quantity, but they have a lot of a 500 quantity. So out of 500, one lot get processed, other lot get not processed due to the lot allocation, or FX disturbance into the international position as well maybe occur. The simple example we can say, admin shows 1500 Google share, custodian report only 1300 due to the failed delivery. It will happen. Okay, due to which this will happen. So in the cash part you will see the wire transfer not received. So cash part is very thing. If cash is like a oxygen for the reconciliation, or maybe you can say part of a reconciliation, but it is not often invisible, but it is vital. When it goes wrong, the entire nav suffer due to this. Okay, so wire transfer not received, or bank fees deducted but not recorded, or maybe the wrong currency received, or redemption paid out but not debited, is due to this. So this post settlement break involve the custodian, bank administration requiring careful review of a blotter, corporate action and the FX. So how we can resolve this break? You have to review each and every part of a reconciliation. So now we'll move to the example, how what types of a reconciliation will be there, and what types of break we will got. Okay, so position break due to the stock split and the partial settlement. So I take example of a stock split and partial settlement. The fund GMT hold 1,000 share of ABT Tech Limited on January 2025. The company executed 2-for-1 stock split. Each share become 2. In this way, the stock split will happen. However, the admin team missed recording his event. Accordingly, buy trade 500 share pre-split and settle partially only one 250 share at custodian side. So this position break will be happen automatically. Okay, so how you can get a question in interview with the interviewer is how do you reconcile a position break. So position break, you can explain that position break occur when the number of share of a bond, shares means equity share, bond means the bond, recorded into the administration book does not match the custodian records. This often stem for the unsettled trade, stock split, or FX conversion issue or incorrect trade booking. So due to this, position break will be happen. So how we can resolve this break? So review the trade plotter. The trade plotter I tell you is a combination, is a consolidated file from the client. We receive that how many trade they have book at particular day. So you receive through the email with a trade file, trade blotter, or maybe the client file, and then settlement blotter also. So they receive both the blotter. You can compare with that blotter is trade executed with the same quantity or not. If not, then you have to reach to your broker or admin like you have to adjust accordingly with the confirmation with the broker, and check with the custodian also if custodian are reflecting same or not. Then you can apply this logic and you can reach to the team. Check the fail or cancel trade at a partial fail as well as. So you have to check if if trade get cancel or cancel or failed at custodian side or client side afterward the file get released. So you have to check your email or check your blotter file as well. Investigate the corporate action like stock speed or some break will be come in your reconciliations. And the quantity are showing into double or quantity get half or quantity get some in ratios. So check like if some corporate action has been happen, you have to go to BBG, or there are many options are available. Bloomberg is available, IDC interactive directive is something available. You can check with your QSIP or ISIN or some security ID, then you can find out what is the break, and then accordingly you can investigate and book at your side to resolve the break. Normalize all the position at a base currency or base unit for FX contingency. Sometimes the currency issue will be there, so you have to all the positions should be in the same currency. Align the booking conversion, example X date and record date should be in accounting format only. So this will can resolve your position break as well. Okay, so now we are moving, before we moving to cash break, we'll see how the position break will see in the reconciliation tool. So this reconciliation tool I will highlight first where you get a break when you get a position break. Okay, so just a moment, I will just highlight this. Okay, so you will get a break on the settlement date when you are talking about a position. So position, your broker is holding some position, but the custodian holding 250 shares and fully book 500 shares. Settlement get delayed to 50 shares overstated at administration side, because due to stock split the share become to 250, but you are still showing 500 share. Due to that it will get, or maybe it is vice versa between the custodian and the administration side as well. So you have to just check your BBG and blotter file what broker is reflecting what custodian, and accordingly you have to make the decision. Corporate action, maybe corporate action is showing broker and custodian but you are not matching, so stock split is not recorded in your administration side. So there are in Geneva we have a separate stock split option is available, then you have to mention your QC price in all the detail, and or the share will got automatically calculated. So due to that we get a difference. Okay, corporate action type like two is 2 for 1 split adjustment of a 250 2500 share, it still show 1500 500%. Due to that it will get impacted, but here if we connected all thing will get corrected, so your original balance, your price, and everything get match. Okay, So match status will be unmatched due to your admin not book correctly, and your status will be delay, and your timely mismatch between the things. So all thing will delay due to the corporate action not booked correctly at this time. So what are the root cause of this position break? Okay, so position break root cause is corporate action. Admin miss 2 for 1 stock split, position and price is incorrect. Okay, for example, if corporate action has been happened for a stock split, you are holding before 500 share, now it will reflect as a 2 share, 250 share, but still you are showing 500, it will get discrepancy, and you have to correct the price as well. So you have to check your Bloomberg last traded price was what, and accordingly you have to change the price as well. And the settlement break as well, like Custodian settled 250 share for 500, and admin overstated is holding. So you have to correct at a settlement type also, which should be done and which should be not done. FX normalization means admin use incorrect FX rate, added valuation discrepancy between the custodian and admin side, due to you have to check and check accordingly, and you have to update all the thing. Action plan for reconciliation. If you are a reconciliation person there, so what you follow the step. So these are the steps you also follow. So cross check with the blotter and partial settlement record with the custodian. You have to directly send the email and cross check with the blotter and check with the custodian what they are reflecting. Record the missed corporate action 2 for 1 stock in admin system. Record this system after the confirmation receive. As adjust FX normalization and revalue positioning using the correct quantity and post the split price as well. So if you get a confirmation whatever the quantity is correct, insert that quantity, and with the price, what the price you have to use. So you can take a reference of Bloomberg last traded, and accordingly you can fill, as well as reconcile new share count, like 1002 plus 250 share, like 2250 actual holding is matching or not, just cross verify, and verify and update external reference ID from the matching is correct or not. Rerun the nav and calculation and correct all the things accordingly. So this is how you have to follow. So final impact will be on the holding we understand understated by the 1000 share due to miss corporate action, so it will get corrected. The nav will get also impacted incorrect due to the wrong quantity and the price valuation. Cash forecasting may affect due to the FX error or incorrect expected value, it will get impacted, or reconciliation aging will get impacted. So this thing will get impacted due to the position break. Okay, so if you have any query regarding any columns, or you find anything, if you have any suggestion also, you can just drop a message into our comment section as well. So now we are moving to the cash part, how the cash will get impacted. So anyhow I tell you, the cash is something of a reconciliation is a oxygen, but often invisible, but it is vital. Okay, so like this, the cash break happen when the cash balance recorded by the administration, broker and custodian do not match. This typical result to the incorrect outdated payment instruction, what we call as a wire issue. So whatever the wire, like fees they have paid, or some suppression has been happen, or maybe some redemption has been happen, or some fees will be paid. So due to some reason the wire has been come but not settled yet, so due to that it will the cash break get impacted. FX conversion issue may be local to base to base. If you do cross currency trading between any country, so you will face the FX conversion issue also. Duplicate or missing posting in the cash ledger, sometimes in Geneva while booking, you will see the cash break between the duplicate cash posting. Due to that also we face the issue. Delay processing or timely difference by the custodian, late swift receive or something, so it will impact like this. So scenario of a in this situation will be the FX mismatch and delay, means euro dividend receivable scenario. Okay, where the fund GMT 009 hold euro denominator share with the Siemens AG, and dividend euro will receive 1 lakh were declared 24 June 2025 to be paid on 26 June 2025. So this is a scenario of a cash break. Okay, custodian credit amount in euro, admin convert at incorrect FX rate due to it get a cash break. So broker report gross amount but admin net post amount, and admin show 110 110,000 k as admin balance, and custodian show 107 k, and the broker show 100 euro. In euro it will show broker show in 100 k euro. So this lead to the cash back of a 3000 due to the FX mismatch withholding tax adjustment. So everything like broker, admin and custodian and everything are mismatching between each other due to the FX, due to the euro, what they have posted, and the withholding tax also. So how we can resolve this break, we'll see in the cash part. So first I will highlight where this break get impacted. So this break get impacted on the currency, gross amount, FX rate applied, original balance, or we can say external reference ID, or we can say match status timestamp and everything. So one by one we understand how the cash break created and how we can resolve this cash break into day-to-day activity. Okay, so first try to understand with the thing. The broker is reflecting in the euro but custodian and the administration reflecting in USD currency. So due to that FX rate will get implied, so difference between the euro and USD booking will be happen. So gross amount also get changed due to why the currency also get changed, because every currency base value is different. So due to broker is reflecting different, custodian is reflecting different, and administration reflecting different. So FX rate they applied for euro is 1, but custodian apply 1.07 and administration apply 1.10 due to currency mismatch. Net amount will be 1 lakh, here 1 lakh 7, here 110, and overstatement of a 3000 something. So how the original balance also reflect the 3000 difference. So external reference also not available due to it get not corrected, and the match status show unmatched, and the timing will get delay, and FX overstatement will be issue. So how we can clarify this thing? Okay, so root cause of this break is applied incorrect FX rate 1.10 versus actual 1.07 overstated by the 3000. So this is a root cause between this. Custodian receive euro converted using the post tax rate 3% withholding tax. So due to custodian is reflecting different amount, and the broker reported in euro, so everybody is reflecting some different. So how you can resolve this break? Okay, the first step is confirm FX rate using the custodian by used by the custodian like 0.7 0.1.07 with a payment date. So check with your custodian how you can explain, and adjust the admin system to reflect the net dividend amount. If you insert everything in any application, then it will show the net amount. If net amount is matching with the custodian and broker, then you can proceed. If net amount is not matching, means something FX rate what you applied into system is not correct. Then you confirm with the broker and custodian what FX rate they are applying. Update the FX rate match with the custodian applied conversion, and match the reference ID between the system, and rerun your reconciliation for 27 June and confirm the cash clearance. So how this is how you can confirm with all the party, and then you update the correct FX rate and it will get clear. So what are the impact on your things? So in NAV get accuracy will be there, overstate NAV due to the inflated dividend inflow, so NAV get impacted. Cash positioning means in current fund get cash balance after the investor reporting, and client reporting as well as the reconciliation, so false surplus need adjustment memo as well. Audit trial means login daily cash break reporting and correct with the custodian as well. So this is how it will reflected. So anyhow, I done with the cash in position break, all the explanation. So if you have any questions or something, just let me know. In next session we will try to discover about how the corporate action and income break impact our reconciliation. It is the most important topic as well, so stay tuned with this. We'll see you soon on the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you on next episode.